What's up, guys? And today, what we have to start is that we are going to be checking out the new update of Driving Empire. Okay, let's start with the cars. What's new? Pretty sure this car's new. Blaine, let's check what cars are actually new. So the cars that are apparently new is this car. Wouldn't recommend as the fastest car. See the inside. See what it sounds like when you turn it on. It's pretty okay. Information. It's good. Now let's check out the second car. I would prefer this because I prefer red. The speed is okay. Okay. The back of the car is not what I closely imagined, but it was good. This car overall is okay. Next one. This car is meh. Although it does give me a vibe. See the interior. It looks good. Although I won't recommend this car. Next one. This one's good. The back, I would say a little bit too plain. The inside looks good. And I would recommend this car, actually. I recommend that car. The next one. I'm not vibing. I don't like this back part. It goes up diagonal. I won't recommend that car either. Ooh, this one looks more spiky. I like the way the interior is. I like the way the back is. It gives me good vibes. I'll recommend this car. Next one. We have this car. I would recommend this car. The trunk is too far back. So, yeah, that's what I think about these new brand cars. Yeah. So there isn't anything new that I will show you on this map. Although by that, I might just go get my car. See what I just got from my bags. Yeah, let's check what I got from my bag. So right there, kids. Open 3. Okay, knocking it open. First one. Speed 2. Wheel angle, okay. Boost 3, okay. Angle, Excel 3. Refill 3. Oh, these are the best. Braking 2. Refill 2. Boost 2. Tires, rim 2. 1. Angle 3. Double stamina boost. And ooh, that's all. Now let's go customize that. Alright, so let's see what we have to customize it with. My engine, I'm just gonna replace that with being able to. Oh, I have nothing to replace that with. So now, I'm gonna add this. Replace. And now it should be good. Yeah. Braking. No, nothing I can replace there that makes it better. Tires. Add that. The wheel. I don't really want to add anything. Replace that with tire. Let's see if I want to replace anything. Any tires. Yeah, I do. This. Actually, no, I want to make all my tires equal. Let me see what. Let me see what these are. I like the blue ones way better. Okay, so now boost. Boost look good. Yeah, I like the boost. Alright, so now let's the codes. Okay, if you go to the top, if you go to the bottom right corner, you'll see left corner, you will see the little settings things. Now click that, you will see codes. Now as you see codes, what I want you to enter is 1 M I L C A S H cash. Enter. You should get some cash. Now after that, enter ZOOM, and as you enter, you get a free car. Now enter 2200 K MEMBERS. Enter that, you should get 50K cash. Now enter NEWYEAR 2025. Now you should get free 75K cash. Now enter 1 MILLONLIKES. If you enter this, you should get a license plate. Now I'm done. I'll see you later.